So this is the Worx trimmer and edger. I've had this for a couple of years and it has lasted, and it's very easy to operate. You just hold those two buttons at the same time. And it's very light, and it is wire. It's you just have to charge the battery. You have to buy extra battery if you want to finish your job fast, because it does, the battery drains within the next 20-30 minutes. So that's the spool cap. You would have to remove that in order to change the string. So this is how I wound the string. So if you have suggestions, you can add it up, but here's my process. It has worked within the last 2 years, but if you have suggestions for a better winding of the string, so it works much better, because this one actually cuts within like the next 5 minutes of trimming. It does cut on its own, like it gets shorter, but it does the job done. And I just wound it and make sure that it's tight, so it doesn't actually get loose when you're operating it. And here's the actual operation. It's very easy to adjust, but that's it.